I recently bought the Power Chakras book and Wisdom card set from Lidl's for just $4.99. This box set includes a 64-page book, a pack of wisdom cards, and a chakra wall chart of the major 7 chakras. The Power Chakra is all about learning how to increase your awareness, nurture yourself, and unlock your unlimited potential by restoring the imbalances in the flow of energy throughout the body. This energy can be broken down into parts, each of which has emotional, spiritual, and physical characteristics that combine to make a person. I decided to buy this intuitive traditions product because I've always been passionate about learning more about the key principles of the 7 chakras, and now I can combine exercise, meditation, and personal growth with this Power of Chakra kit. This is a dream come true for me because I now have all I need to harness the wisdom of ancient teachings through the philosophical power of the written word. What caught my eye about this kit was the artwork design on the packaging box. It has interesting color attributes such as the pink borders blending into a sky blue color circulating around the female body. This female is seated in the lotus position while her body displays the 7 major chakras glowing from head to her feet. These two color attributes initially attracted me to this product because, in color theory, pink is for love and blue is for tranquility, which are nice, alluring colors. I also like the way the photos of the wisdom cards, the chakra wall chart, and book were illustrated on the front of the box, and the way the word chakra was written in large white colored font. I found the information on the back of the box about the benefits of chakras and the contents of the kit to be really intriguing. It explains how chakras can aid with stress, worry, and motivation, as well as promote mindfulness, calmness, and happiness. The packaging states that chakras are the 7 energy centers of the human body, and by restoring imbalances in the energy flow, you can address emotional disturbances and strengthen your physical well being. This could potentially help me achieve best levels of physical and spiritual wellness. Fiona Toy authored the Power of Chakras book, which delves into the world of chakras and how to effectively use them. This 64-page paperback offers valuable insights into nurturing your spirit, enhancing self awareness, and unlocking your full potential by understanding the chakra system. The chakra wisdom cards included in the kit, as explained in the Power of Chakra book, are a deck of 45 cards, each linked to the 7 major chakras: the base, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. These cards can be used to seek answers to questions about your purpose, increase awareness, or gain clarity about your life. The 7 chakras wall chart, which is poster size, allows you to visually track your energy flow daily. It serves as a valuable tool for understanding and working with your energy centers. By displaying it prominently, you can easily familiarize yourself with the symbols and colors associated with each chakra, enabling you to assess which chakras are balanced and which ones may require attention. This chart acts as a guide to check any physical or emotional changes that may arise. I believe that investing in the Power of Chakras kit is a great decision as it provides a comprehensive guide on mindfulness, peace, calm, and happiness. The major chakras, being an energy system within us, are as important as other bodily systems like the respiratory, circulatory, and nervous systems. Exploring the practice of major chakras is fascinating as it stems from an ancient Hindu tradition and helps in strengthening these energy centers through meditation, like how physical exercise strengthens the lungs. I am excited to document my journey of intuitive and spiritual discovery through the power of chakras in a journal and will keep you updated on my progress. Stay tuned for more updates and thank you for tuning in to this episode. Have a wonderful day.